This is a 2014 Hyundai Elantra GT. It got in a little accident. Let's see what we could do to fix it. This plastic bumper gotta go. To reduce cost, I'm gonna salvage all the components that's not damaged. There's a crease on this reinforced bumper. That means it has to go. I bought this reinforced bumper used on eBay. Looks like this wiper fluid reservoir is also cracked, so I'm gonna take this out and replace it. Bye-bye. The plastic bumper was shipped to me from Canada, like this. There was a small amount of paint damage on the crease of the bumper due to the shipping method. This heat gun will help gradually unfold the bumper and reduce cracking. This is the original fog lamp that got damaged. As you can see, plastic pieces broke off. Don't know where it went. Also, the mounting hardware broke off. I got some scratches on the headlamp, so we're gonna throw this away. And we got a new one. This is a new headlamp or fog light. We're gonna install it today. Well, this grill has to be reused because it's pretty expensive to replace. Problem is, there's a big old crack, so we're gonna see what we can do about that. This is a little trick I learned to reinforce a cracked plastic with a simple nail. I'm gonna embed a couple nails into this plastic by melting it. A total of 4 nails should do the trick. A couple of sheets of fiberglass and a whole load of JB Weld. Here's the finished look of that crack repair. This saves us $200. This car was missing a tire well mudguard. I found this on Amazon. Here's the finished product. It's good as new.